Wag. Meaning, to move or cause to move rapidly back and forth. Example, the dog wagged its tail happily when it saw its owner. Gloomy. Meaning, dark or poorly lit, especially so as to appear depressing or frightening. Example, the sky was gloomy, and it looked like it was about to rain. Weary. Meaning, feeling or showing tiredness, especially as a result of excessive exertion or lack of sleep. Example, after a long day at work, she felt weary and just wanted to rest. Startle. Meaning, to cause a person or animal to feel sudden shock or alarm. Example, the loud noise startled the cat, and it jumped off the couch. Console. Meaning, to comfort someone at a time of grief or disappointment. Example, he tried to console his friend after she received some bad news. Sorrow. Meaning, a feeling of deep distress caused by loss, disappointment, or other misfortune. Example, she was filled with sorrow after the passing of her grandmother. Compel. Meaning, to force or oblige someone to do something. Example, the urgent situation compelled him to make a quick decision. Mock. Meaning, to tease or laugh at in a scornful or contemptuous manner. Example, the students mocked him for his unusual accent. Adore. Meaning, to love and respect someone deeply. Example, she adores her little brother and always takes care of him. Incite. Meaning, to encourage or stir up violent or unlawful behavior. Example, the leader's speech incited the crowd to protest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.